I think each and everyone has started and expressed their experience with me. I remember when I joined this company, Rajesh used to be the person. I used to go with him to the garments division. Very friendly, right from the day one till today. Similarly, Divan, all those days we used to go to Moscow, Poland. I have never been a very comfortable person to deal with, and my style was very much appreciated because I was not willing to change my style. And I am quite sure the objective was good. As long as you do things with a good objective, nothing is supposed to go wrong. And when I joined this company, I was very clear that I should not join like others. I should minimum stay for 10 years. So, of course, that has crossed another 10 years because that is a time required for anybody, wherever you go, to understand the company and take charge of what you are doing. Then only you will be in a position to perform something differently. So that was there, and I had a very good opportunity and very lucky to, I think my first meeting with him was July 1999. I still observe him. He used to have one A4 size notepad, and 2 hours everything is still written there, a small thing, and he used to, not even half page he would have completed. Most important thing for the success of mine, I don't know, of the group definitely, is my involvement with him. And then he was, even though I gained a lot of freedom, he was monitoring from distance, and most of the people know his style and all, and to gain his confidence, to get that freedom, it is not easy. Because he is a very hands-on person. Like whenever I used to have a doubt in my finance and accounts, I used to indirectly ask him. And he had when I joined this company, there was no handing over and all. I was there, but I was told you were so and so. When I did the first year of finalization, and I used to sit with him. Entire balance sheet entries, everything he used to tell me. Most of the transactions, what happened, when it happened, that's sufficient for us. So that kind of a support he had, and he was, another inspiration is that he is, I won't say he's a taskmaster, he works himself. When I was doing arbiter those days, he used to be in Singapore and all those stuff. Every day something has to be signed. Even though I had a lot of authority to sign, there are certain things only he can sign. And I remember that he used to be in exhibition in Singapore. I used to send him, he used to sign, find the fax machine himself and send it. So that shows one thing is that he's a man of high net worth, no doubt about it. And he takes a lot of risks in the business, and his own money he has put in the company. Same time he was working himself, and there is no difference between him and any of the worker, right? So that has shaped many people like me or Divan or Rajesh to really come to the limelight. Like, you can be a CEO material. Similar thing I am telling you, whomsoever he has spotted, they should have confidence. That's very important. See, money is something, nobody is going to be happy. Yesterday, till such time I got the money, I was tensed, and after getting the money, there is nothing, there is no enjoyment at all. But yes, there's always you feel what you deserve, what you get is a different issue. Nobody stops you going outside. But when you work in a company, especially in this kind of an organization, where you can be, he knows, I don't know, he knows who works, who doesn't work in the company. He knows who is working and competent, but when he start working. So this is not only known to me, everybody in the company, correct? So everyone looks upon him. It's a fact. And I used to always tell him that you have been dragging me, because a lot of things, hurdles were there. And I know that what I am doing is something like, 10 feet, 20 feet, 30 feet, you start jumping, but he used to drag me. And when he drags me, I don't even see. I go along with him, and then we find solutions. Very many solutions came, not because of our intelligence, it's because of a simple thing that we have been doing a good job. He has been taking care of the people, he has been giving employment to thousands of persons. I always used to tell him, sir, it's a great escape. Because there is a lot of challenges, milestones and all, there is no target dates, you have to do it. And if you don't miss the target date, you are in trouble. Trouble means several issues are there. We are able to accomplish everything because of only one thing is God-fearing. I am also God-fearing person. So every year, every moment, every day I used to thank God for whatever I have done. Another thing which I find working in this company, I remember, it's like Jeffrey Boycott. After completing one century, you have to take again a God. again I take a new stance. So when every year completed, the next year is not a very for me it was never a very comfortable journey. I used to always worry how to manage this because we had to start planning. He is thinking. He is the one person, I don't know, I am not praising you, sir. There is no need for me to praise. He had that confidence in him because he had the cash flows in his mind. What is the books? When I joined when we made $2.5 million profit in the first year in arbitrage in 6 months, we know there is no books available for me. We could not write. There was no proper facilities. And the transactions every day going, 500 contracts were there, and we know exactly the cash flow they're managing. I used to tell him how to do it. Your reports are sufficient for me. I know we're on the right track. When the books were completed after 2 months, after the year end, when the entire business stopped, it took 2 months to complete. Everything came to the same level. So the person knows. That's how all entrepreneurs have this kind of an ability. But if you don't know what exactly should be there, then you are going to miss. So as it is, you are taking risk in the business, and over and above, if you don't have any knowledge in the finance, and you are going to really in the big chaos. That's why many companies have lost the race, and we are still. What is the diversification? In several areas we diversified. How much money we put? Where, like Jordash, we had gasoline. We never used to stop. 18 shops we opened. Who will have that guts? We are competing with that time Miki Jektiani and all. Unfortunately, that did not work out well for us because of some legal issues. But the kind of money was put in, and we know that so far, thus far, no more. See, this is what an advantage for a person who has got certain metal in him. Lot of people I can tell, Bharat Shah, Kailash, what's his name, Color Plus, that gentleman. Kailash Bhatia was a merchandise in this company. I used to wonder how we lost him. See, these are the great people who work with us, and then where they are gone. So, I am very happy that, see, life span is very short. Okay, in that whatever best you can do, you can do. I think I have done my best. I have enjoyed all my innings. Money I am not at the moment concerned because what is here, it has to come. Nobody can stop us. So always we'll be cribbing and all those stuff. But overall, the innings were highly satisfying. And this is the best company that one can work. All of you, I'm telling you, highly cash rich. We are still cash rich company. We are very conservative. We are complete. Almost next 6 months we are covered. Like that we are going ahead. So there is nothing for you to worry about the organization as such. And the organization, yes, again I'm telling you, this has to peak. Unfortunately, the last 3 months, what was going so fantastic for us in Kenya, which was a project, I myself was not confident. I was not keen to go ahead in 2013, I'm telling you. And then from where to where, and of course, Aditya has taken a lot of interest and he has steered that to a great level. And that was peaking, and then this 3 months has stopped for some time, but I'm sure same thing is going to happen. And the team in Nimbus also is good because we don't know much about logistics, we have learned through them. So for us to understand the business and everything, now they're consolidating. In the market, when it picks up, they will do it. So I am quite sure the organization has a very good foundation, and all decisions are taken along with the owner, and he has been behind the decisions. He is there, and I have never seen him taking off and all. He is there in the office. I have never seen him going home for lunch or relaxing and all those things, not like this. At least I had that privilege of doing, in spite of a lot of tight schedule with him. But he used to be there, and used to wonder that if at his level he works, why should I not? What justification I have for not slogging? So we slogged, and I think we achieved very good progress. And then I'm quite sure, same thing is the plastics. How much struggle we had undergone, we know that. What are the problems? Several problems came. We will see the next year we are going to be there. Now they have controlled it so beautifully that they are also now, EBITDA level is quite green now. So I'm sure that all of you, like Shibu, see, I had to tell individual wise, like when he said, I learned from Shibu. I was not a trust receipts, and I never used to be involved in it. I used to call him, and I find there are certain people. See, the delegation comes only when you know the person I can depend on. So all these people with whom I worked, they have not had one iota of doubt that I don't have a trust in them. The trust and faith is better. That they say, there is no better check and balance than trust and faith, which you have to believe. Okay. Now, whatever you may say, that only reduces the time and the team to develop and the teams to contribute. So that's the one thing which is very clear. And anybody who is not able to come into that parameter, he will not progress. So all the people worked with me, they did the job. They were absolutely, enjoying. I am quite sure nobody has mistaken me because I never had any agenda behind it. When I shout at them, when I scream at them, it's purely business. And afterwards, when I know that they have done it, we used to enjoy. So all those things were there. Lot of increments. How much increments we are given? Thousands. Let all these people today say that who has not got less than 1,000, 1,500 dirhams and all. He never has to say give. Whatever is the recommendation, it was given to them. So this is the kind of a thing when they achieve. That is how these people have developed. Now the time has come for all of you to put back to the company till such time things are steered and become normal. So we should work with the same zeal, enthusiasm, and then go ahead with this kind of a sort of a positive attitude, and then progress will come. 100% I'm sure. As far as I am concerned, I will also, no, I am not going to keep idle at home. I have a lot of agenda. I have personal, spiritual. Maybe I may even go for a consultancy. Somebody will ask and all. I may do it. But this is all within my area of that. And I am available for any, because 20 years we have worked in this company. And definitely I'll be the more, it will be painful for me to see if something is not going well and my service is required. Definitely I am available, not for sort of a money sake only. We should work in that. That is the kind of people we are. We will do that. And as far as, again, I have to tell that I have never taken holidays. Whenever I got to go, I used to go only for my Coimbatore. My mother was not there. That time she was ailing, and I used to go to Sringeri. I never used to have any issues. You go. I used to manage the last weekends and all. He never used to say, he was always in favor of it, and he used to ask me, how was it and all. Most importantly is his presence and blessings was there at the time of my daughter's marriage and my son's marriage. So, which was 5 months back. So when he came, first thing he told me, that was 29th January, and huge problems were there. It's offset of. So I asked him, I'm very thankful to you. He said that time, Kannan, I came to your daughter's marriage, and it will not be complete if I don't come and bless your son. Sir, I'm thankful to you. See, everyone, see, we have to judge our life, the last 20 years, what I was there, what I am today. A lot of plus points have taken place. That is because of my association with the right person. Again, I am telling you, this is how it has to be. Otherwise, nobody would have continued like that. So this is exactly that we have been blessed, and then same thing he is going to do for everyone. Okay, and I was sure that he is going to come for my son's marriage. He came, and he stayed almost for his busy schedule, the company's problems. One full day, I think, we were in the hotel, having because he has to give us to come for the reception. So we are very thankful to you, and also thankful to each and every. I can't name Plastics team means I always remember Shiva. I always remember Inayat. Of course, you and me are different there. They are the people there, the team. Of course, accounts and all, whether they have put in plastics or anywhere, these people will do. Similarly, our logistics, I am quite sure they will do well. I am sure this we will see in 2-3 years, and this is going to be ranked, because you are backed up by somebody who believes in that, and then he has the capacity to convey. So let's wish, I am wishing the company all the best, and I wish our chairman a good health, and everybody looks upon him for guidance, and he will do it. And of course, I should not miss Aditya here. I have seen a great change in him last 2 years, and the way, the confidence. See, he has seen the very difficult time ever since 2013 when we started. What we are talking about, MDs firing in the meeting and all, I have seen him firing Aditya. He was never satisfied. Aditya used to come and tell me as if he has done something. Naturally he did it. I have not seen him sparing his own son when it came to the question of the performance. And that, see, there were times where only he was only believing, we were not able to believe. The problems were so much. And when it started with the problem, when we get mature, and they become a different person. And that's the Aditya has become today, and I am quite sure, of course, nobody can replace you, your experience, and your capacity to take risks, because even today the decision to go ahead with a project the way you can do, only you can do, because your money is involved, you can take the call. Second thing, you are not failed much of the places, because this is how it is. All 10 will not happen. Similarly, he will also take into that, and then the team is there, Diwan is there, Rajesh is there. Rajesh has shaped last 5 years. Rajesh used to be always jolly good fellow. Morning 10 o'clock, evening 5 o'clock, right from those shift times. And they used to go around this way, because he knows, MD will see, secretary will see what time he comes. But 5 years, the way he believed in him, he has not spared him also. What a way you have been taken, right? But now from where you get, last year, July, you were not very sure. And he never said when he achieved, he was not flabbergasting. He said, it has to happen, why you are not believing in you? Similar thing is going to happen, and I see you also got into that groove now. And this is what is important. I'm sure the same thing will continue, and thanks very much. I think I have expressed more than required at the moment. The time is short. Lunch has to be taken in time. Okay, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Mr. Dinesh will have a thanks to everyone.